So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set your status to invisible here on, or your online status, I should say, to invisible here on the Discord application. So Discord's opened up. Go to the bottom right if you're on the home page and press on the U icon. Once you're here, press down and hold on the profile picture to where it says change online status. Now if you go to the bottom, it'll say invisible. Make sure that invisible is selected. Now as you can tell in the bottom right of your profile picture, you have your online status set to invisible. So once again, press down and hold, change online status, make sure that invisible is selected like that, and the gray icon is showing. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to set status to invisible here on the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.